So you see that building over here? See it? Yeah, that's where the car kids live. That's right. Not that long ago, we ended up going over there and harassing these kids and asking them a bunch of truck questions because, well, like they do car stuff, we do truck stuff. They don't know truck questions. So we're gonna go ask them like how many spark plugs are in a diesel, how much gas do you put in a diesel, and all sorts of crazy questions. But before we do that, I gotta let you guys know, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, performance, accessories, any parts for your truck, customoffsets.com. Also, you guys are running out of time. The giveaway for our SEMA truck is almost done, so you guys gotta enter. We already put come over here. We already put a bow on this thing. Look at it. It's the holiday season. We're getting ready to give this thing away. It could be yours. customoffsets.com/giveaway. Let's go harass these car kids. Come on.
Hey guys, what's up? Cody Lawson here from Custom Offsets, back with another video. So today, we're gonna see what Ram owner has the biggest.
All right, guys, so we're down here in Fitment Industries, the man cave, and we're gonna be asking them some truck questions. Hey, you pipe down, because we're gonna be asking you as well. You just wait. Oh yeah, I'm gonna storm into whatever meeting you're off to right now, and we're gonna ask you questions. Max,
Hey,
you're first up.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
6.0 or 6.4 power stroke?
6'4".
Why?
More numbers. It's better.
More numbers is better.
Yep.
How many spark plugs are in a standard diesel?
12. 8.
All right, next up, we've got Gels. He's a lead for Artist of Wheels. Does wheel things on the car side.
Yeah.
Let's ask him some questions. How many spark plugs are in a standard Duramax?
They don't run spark plugs, they run glow plugs.
Don't tell anyone else here. A couple truck questions for you, car guy.
Questions. I'm gonna get these all wrong.
I'll help you out.
That's the point. 6.0 power stroke or 6.4?
6.0.
Why?
I worked at a Ford dealership once, and they had a bunch of problems with the 6.4s and not the 6.0, so I'm gonna go 6.0.
Interesting. How's it feel that a tuned and deleted diesel will on your AMG?
I don't think it would.
You want to bet?
Well, I mean, I did blow the diff out of it, so right now, but
So my Lamborghinis would beat your AMG.
yeah,
What are you driving right now then?
an Integra.
We're not even gonna go there. We're here with Alex, aka Mr. Fitment Industries himself, Mr. Car Guy Enthusiast.
Mr. Worldwide.
Mr. Worldwide.
Don't do that. That sounds terrible when you say it like that.
Yeah.
I'm never saying that again.
Yeah, don't do that. We're gonna ask you some truck questions. Are you ready?
Sure, hit me.
Do you remember how it went last time? 12 valve or 24 valve Cummins?
I don't know which one goes faster.
All right, next. All right, 6.7 or 7.3?
7.3 because it's bigger. I don't want to know what a mud cricket is.
That's probably for the best.
It went all right.
First up, 6.0 or 6.4 power stroke?
Is that a trick question?
No,
Is it a trick question? Look me in the eyes and tell me it's not a trick question.
it's not a trick question.
6.4.
Why?
0.4 more.
Interesting. How's it feel that a tuned and deleted diesel would shit on your Ferrari?
So I think to myself, wow, a tuned and deleted diesel would definitely probably win in a race. But at the end of the day, I still have a Ferrari and you still have a depreciated truck.
This backfired. How's it feel that a tuned and deleted diesel would shit on your E30?
I mean, it made like 97 horsepower from the factory, so you wouldn't need to tune or delete. I'm pretty sure you could remove the turbos and you would still spank the E30. So I feel pretty good about that.
Let's go. 6.0 or 6.4 power stroke?
Okay, I've heard this question a couple times now the past 10 minutes.
That's because you guys are huddled in here like sardines, bro.
Yeah. However, I don't know shit about this, so I'm gonna say 6.4.
Why?
I don't know. Seems pause larger.
How's it feel that a tuned and deleted Duramax not only would on Sean Berger's AMG, but also your AMG?
Honestly, they're kind of fire, so I wouldn't be too salty because they do when they spool up, bro.
All right, we're here with Dakota Stone, personality for Fitment Industries. We're gonna ask him some truck questions.
Truck questions? What the hell?
He also owned a truck previously, so this might be hard.
Yeah, well, I did have a couple trucks back in the day. Ranger Danger, F-150s, Duramax.
Yeah, that ugly F-150.
Yeah, Moby Dick. It
Yeah,
was
Moby
the
Dick.
Single cab long box.
All right, first up on the list, 6.0 or 6.4 power stroke.
6.6 Duramax.
How does it feel that a tuned and deleted diesel would shit on your Supra?
No, it wouldn't. What the fuck?
Yes, it would.
No, I see, brother. Give me this. I've had one. I've had one. How would it feel that my tuned and deleted Supra would shit on any stupid truck that you plan on buying?
6.0 or 6.4 power stroke.
I know one of those is really bad. 6.4,
Why?
because it doesn't blow up.
How many spark plugs are in a standard Duramax?
Oh, I don't. Wait, whoa, hold on real quick. I feel like this is a trick question again. Would it be, is it 8 or 9? Because do you need an extra spark plug for something?
Diesels don't take spark plugs. God damn it. How many spark plugs does a standard Duramax take?
It is 0. Do you know how many spark plugs my AMG takes?
This is my show.
16.
How much gas does it take to fill up a standard diesel?
30 gallons. Was that good?
Gas doesn't go in diesels. Diesels in diesels. How much gas does it take to fill up a new...
Shut up. Stop it.
Can I fit 35s and 12 wides on stock suspension?
I don't know. You should use the gallery, but probably not.
Boom! Gallery plug. CustomOffsets.com/gallery. 12 wides, 35s. Will it fit on stock suspension?
Yeah, just rub till she don't rub no more, bud. Maybe cut a couple corners, and if you can learn how to drive in a straight line and then pick out empty parking spots that are away from everyone else that you can do a 32-point turn into, you know, run them all day long. I did it.
How many Honda Civics does it take to equal the same horsepower as a Chevy Silverado?
How much horsepower is a Chevy Silverado? I'm gonna guess 4. 5. 4. 3?
If you were to add up Honda Civics, how many would it take to equal the horsepower of a Chevy Silverado?
That's probably about 2.5.
How many spark plugs are in a standard Duramax?
Oh, come on, bro. I don't know this. 32.
Jesus! 32?
14. 8, 9.
No.
9.
No. How many spark plugs are in a standard Duramax?
None. 0.
If you were to add up Honda Civics, how many would you have to add up to equal the horsepower of a Chevy Silverado?
4. That's why I don't have a Civic.
That's facts. 35s and 12 wides on stock suspension, will it fit?
No.
How do you know? I didn't say what truck.
Because 35's on a 12. Well, that's a good point. No, I still don't think it would fit. I have a question for you. Give me this. Has Lamborghini ever made a diesel engine?
Yes.
What is it?
Tractor.
Damn it. This shit. What is this thing?
12 wides and 35s on stock suspension. Can you fit it?
Depends on the truck. Like a Ram, I'd say yes. Send her to the moon. That's right. I wish you could see the cameraman's face right now. I'm killing these questions.
This guy's good. How much gas does it take to fill up a Duramax?
It takes diesel.
We're out of here.